This video will be about 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to start with 5 because it just asks, Susie makes $15 per hour to shovel snow. Is the amount Susan earns proportional to the number of hours? And in order to be proportional, a relationship needs to start at 0, meaning if Susan shoveled 0 hours, how much money would she make? She would make $0. Times where it won't be proportional because it doesn't start at 0 would be like her boss pays her $100 per week plus $15 per hour. If she worked 0 hours, then she would get paid $100, so that won't be proportional. But this one is proportional because every hour she's going to make the same amount, and if she worked 0 hours, it would be $0. So that is yes, that is proportional. Another way that it might not be proportional, if she gets $15 per hour to shovel snow, but then after 10 driveways, her rate would bump up to $20 per hour. That would make a graph that would look like $15 an hour, $15 an hour, $15 an hour, and all of a sudden she gets an increase in rate. That's not proportional. In order for a graph to be proportional, it starts at the origin 0, 0, and then is a straight line. All right. Back to number 3. It asks to express the rate 296 miles in 5 hours as a unit rate. We're assuming that this is proportional. And for this 296 miles in 5 hours, and when it says unit rate, we want to get it per 1 hour. So for an example, if we had if we were a dog catcher and we caught 5 dogs in let's do 15 dogs. We caught 15 dogs in 3 days. How many did we catch each day? All we'd have to do is 15 dogs divided by 3 days, and we would get 5 dogs per day, per 1 day, because we just divide by 3. So here, we're going to divide this by 5 so that we can get a unit rate. And when I divide that out, I get 59.2, and we will list that as miles per hour. For number 4, it asks which is the better buy, 12 reams of paper for $24.50 or 5 reams of paper for $15.25. And for that one, we have to figure out both unit rates. Dollars is going to go on the top, so is $24.50 divided by 5 reams better? Is $24.50 for 12 reams better than 5 reams for $15.25? So $15.25 over 5, and so we would just divide both of these out. Now, just in looking at this, I can see that this answer is going to be about 2, because 24 divided by 12 is 2, and I can see that this answer is going to be about 3, because 15 divided by 5 is 3. So this one would cost about $3 per ream of paper, and this one costs about $2 per ream of paper. So which one's a better buy? This one is cheaper per ream of paper, so I would say the 12 reams.